In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can transform your smartphone into a lucrative source of income in 2024. I'll unveil my top 20 side hustles, all achievable from your mobile device. These range from simple tasks with instant payoffs to high-earning opportunities. These are the latest money-making methods that are proven to work right now. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Side Hustle 1. Discover one of the newest and simplest ways to earn money using your phone. The TikTok Shop Affiliate Program. The beauty of it? You don't even need to show your face. TikTok Shop, a recent addition to the platform, allows you to become an affiliate for various products. You can create straightforward videos showcasing these products, and for every viewer who makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Take, for instance, this astronaut projector, which yields $188 per sale. Despite seeming modest, this product has generated substantial earnings, with over 47,000 units sold, raking in over $100,000 in commissions for affiliates. To create these videos, you can either obtain the product and film a simple review, or utilize TikTok's auto-generated video feature. This feature provides basic but effective videos that garner views and drive sales. For instance, the auto-generated video promoting a toy has already amassed over 5,000 views and resulted in sales. Side Hustle 2. Next, we have Honeygain, an app that may sound too good to be true, but has garnered positive reviews. Simply install the app and earn passive income without lifting a finger. Honeygain operates by sharing your mobile data with businesses for data-intensive tasks, requiring minimal effort on your part. Depending on the amount of data you share, you can earn anywhere from $20 to $180 per month in passive income, paid out in cash or cryptocurrency. Side Hustle 3. Moving on, we have Medium.com, a widely recognized blogging platform that compensates writers based on the views their articles receive. Earnings vary, but writers can expect to earn between $10 to $98 per 1,000 views. Some writers on Medium have reported substantial monthly incomes, ranging from $5,000 to over $50,000. Creating content for Medium has become more accessible thanks to AI. Utilizing apps like Type AI, powered by ChatGPT, simplifies the content creation process. With features like continued text, writing engaging blog posts becomes a breeze. Whether it's crafting articles or simply enhancing your email communication, Type AI proves to be a valuable tool to have on your phone. Side Hustle 4. For those who aren't camera shy and have opinions to share, there's a fantastic opportunity called Influence. It's a highly rated mobile app where you can earn by recording short video surveys directly from your phone. These surveys involve answering questions or providing feedback on products and services, paying around $11 per video via PayPal. While it won't make you wealthy overnight, many individuals are generating a decent side income through this platform. Side Hustle 5. FOP is an app that enables anyone to monetize their photos and videos, all captured from their mobile phones. You don't need to be a professional photographer. There are two primary ways to earn through this app: uploading your best photos to your profile and earning around $5 per photo if a business decides to use them, or participating in missions set by brands. For instance, a skincare brand might request photos of you using their products and pay for the selected ones. Side Hustle 6, User-Generated Content (UGC), presents another opportunity to monetize your visual content. Brands are actively seeking authentic videos made with mobile phones. By recording simple videos about products and services, you can earn from businesses looking to leverage user-generated content in their marketing efforts. Offering this service on platforms like Fiverr has proven lucrative for many, with some earning over $100 per video order. Side Hustle 7. Google Opinion Rewards is a legitimate way to earn extra cash from your phone by taking surveys. Developed by Google, this app offers surveys that typically pay around $1 each, depending on location and demographics. With over 3 million reviews on the Google Play Store and a high rating, it's a trusted platform for earning a bit of extra income. Side Hustle 8. You can now get paid for tweeting thanks to platforms like X.com. Even smaller creators with modest followings are being compensated for their tweets. With a premium Twitter account and over 500 followers, you can potentially earn hundreds of dollars for each tweet, especially if it garners significant impressions. Side Hustle 9. Vinted is ideal for fashion enthusiasts, allowing users to buy and sell second-hand clothes. Starting by selling items you no longer need can evolve into a profitable side business by sourcing bargains from charity shops and flipping them on Vinted for a profit. Side Hustle 10. Creating a paid community on platforms like Discord can be lucrative, covering a wide range of interests from fishing to finance. You can charge members a monthly fee to join, with top communities earning over $250 per month. This approach can generate substantial passive income, as demonstrated by the success of communities like Loaded Lab, which focuses on making money online. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Side Hustle 11. Another avenue within online communities to make money without starting your own is by becoming a community moderator. Depending on your availability, this could even turn into a full-time position. Many communities offer substantial pay to moderators, with some paying over $60,000 per year. With the upcoming crypto bull run, there's expected to be increased activity in cryptocurrency Discord communities, creating a demand for more moderators. Reach out to community admins and inquire about opportunities to lend a hand. Side Hustle 12. Here's a remarkable side hustle that seems almost too good to be true: reviewing random items from around your house and earning passive income. Thanks to the Amazon Influencer Program, you can monetize reviews of products you already own. By uploading brief video reviews to Amazon listings, you can earn commissions when shoppers view your review and make a purchase. It's akin to affiliate marketing, but easier since the traffic comes directly from Amazon. Simply record basic videos from your phone to start earning. Side Hustle 13. Print-on-demand mugs offer a creative way to make extra cash from your phone, particularly on platforms like TikTok Shop. With print-on-demand, you upload your designs onto blank products like mugs or t-shirts, and when someone purchases, an external printing company handles production and shipping while you earn a profit. Creating simple mug designs using tools like Canva, uploading them onto Printful.com, and connecting them to TikTok Shop can result in a profitable business that you can manage entirely from your mobile device. Side Hustle 14. Another opportunity tied to the massive business landscape of Amazon is Amazon Flex. This app allows individuals with a car to deliver packages and earn money on a flexible schedule. With earnings ranging from $13 to $17 per hour, it offers a flexible income stream. Whether you're looking for occasional cash boosts or considering full-time delivery work, Amazon Flex accommodates various needs. Side Hustle 15. You can generate income from your phone by creating a faceless YouTube Shorts channel and monetizing through the YouTube Partner Program. Traditionally, this would involve extensive scripting, editing, and music integration, making it challenging to execute from a phone. However, with the advent of AI tools like Nido AI, you can generate high-quality, faceless videos directly from your phone. These videos can be posted directly to YouTube, offering a simplified path to monetization. If you're interested in exploring this opportunity, you can sign up for a free Nido AI account using the referral link provided in the description. Side Hustle 16. Instagram theme pages have become a lucrative avenue for earning money on the platform. Building a page within a specific niche, such as dogs, and posting related content can lead to various monetization opportunities. With the rise of Instagram Reels, growing a theme page has never been easier. Reposting existing viral videos or creating original content with tools like Neato AI can quickly attract a large audience. Once you've built an engaged following, brands will pay for sponsored shoutouts, offering a steady income stream. Side Hustle 17. High-ticket closing presents an opportunity to earn significant income by closing deals from your mobile phone. Many online sellers, particularly those offering expensive coaching or courses, offer the option for potential buyers to book a call instead of completing a purchase online. These calls are handled by high-ticket closers who earn commissions ranging from 10% to 30% for each sale closed. You can find closing opportunities through Facebook groups or by reaching out directly to coaches and course sellers. Books like Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort can help you hone your sales skills for success in this field. Side Hustle 18. Copy trading, though risky, has become a viable option for earning a full-time income from your phone. This involves copying the trades of experienced stock or crypto traders and profiting from their successes. By joining signal services or Discord groups, you can receive trade alerts from experts and replicate their trades. However, exercise caution and research thoroughly before investing, as there are risks involved. Choose reputable services with positive reviews and a proven track record. Side Hustle 19. Using AI-powered tools like Palette.fm, you can easily recolor and restore black and white photos, offering a valuable service to clients. This simple yet creative side business can be marketed on platforms like Fiverr, Facebook, or Etsy, generating income without requiring extensive Photoshop skills. With the demand for photo restoration services, you can tap into a niche market and potentially earn a significant income. Side Hustle 20. CPA marketing, also known as cost per action marketing, offers a different approach to affiliate marketing. Instead of earning commissions for sales, you earn money for generating leads. Companies will pay you for actions such as getting people to enter their email addresses. Platforms like Max Bounty or Zito offer various CPA offers that you can promote through social media or advertising, providing an opportunity to earn passive income. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.